Axis Securities Pure Contra PMS follows a genuinely differentiated investment approach by combining value investing, momentum alpha, and special situations. The 36% in small caps and focused 31 stock portfolio, it is different from a typical flexi cap mutual fund. The real question is the recent 2-year underperformance just a temporary style cycle, or has the strategy lost its edge? This video deeply analyzes the performance of this PMS. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the fund snapshot. Inception 27 November 2020. Benchmark S&P BSE 500 TRI. AUM 1784 crores. Minimum investment rupees 50 lakhs. Portfolio 31 stocks. Large cap 47.61%. Small cap 36.44%. Cash 9.90%. Investment style value investing, momentum alpha, special situations. Fee option 2.5% fixed fee or 1.5% plus 20% profit sharing. What are the key observations? There is a genuinely differentiated PMS and not a repacked large cap portfolio. The investment philosophy here is it invests in fundamentally strong businesses trading below intrinsic value. It combines value investing with momentum and special situations, maintains a disciplined contra approach with no evidence of style drift. The recent underperformance reflects sticking to the mandate rather than changing the investment process. Next, let us look at the suitability. This PMS may be suitable for investors with a 3 to 5 year or longer investment horizon, and investors seeking genuine contra and value exposure, investors whose core portfolio consists mainly of index or flexi cap funds, and investors comfortable with temporary periods of underperformance. This PMS may not be suitable for investors evaluating performance over 1 to 2 years, investors seeking steady benchmark beating returns every year, investors already holding dedicated contra or value funds, and investors uncomfortable with higher sector and small cap concentration. Next, performance review, returns versus benchmark. 6 months negative 2.68% versus benchmark negative 5.39%, 1 year negative 3.99% versus benchmark negative 0.07%, 3 years 16.68% versus benchmark 13.46%, 5 years 16.77% versus benchmark 12.29%, since inception return 19.36% versus benchmark 15.66%. Key observation, strong outperformance over 3 years, 5 years and since inception. However, 1 year and 2 year alpha have turned negative, highlighting recent style headwinds. Next, calendar year performance. Year 2021 37.3%, year 2022 9.7%, year 2023 38.5%, year 2024 29.4%, and year 2025 negative 3.4%. The strategy outperformed for 4 consecutive calendar years. Calendar year 2025 marked the first significant setback, likely reflecting a difficult phase for contra investing. Next, fee reality, fixed fee 2.5% or 1.5% plus performance fee. Key insight, on a 5-year basis, the fee has been justified by strong net alpha. Over 1 to 2 year period, investors have paid premium fees despite underperformance. Fee justification therefore depend on the investment horizon. Now let us look at an illustration. What would be the value if you invest rupees 50 lakhs? After 5 years, the pure contra PMS would have grown to 1.09 crores and passive index fund would have grown to 88.7 lakhs. After 7 years, pure contra PMS would have grown to 1.48 crores and passive index fund 1.12 crores. Key insight, the PMS has created approximately 19.9 lakhs of additional wealth over the 5 year and 36.5 lakhs over 7 year compared with the passive index fund. Next, zero-based thinking test. Ask yourself, if I had rupees 50 lakhs today, would I invest in this PMS again? Consider 4 years of strong outperformance, recent 1 year and 2 year underperformance, your conviction in contra investing, and your investment horizon. If your answer is yes, stay invested with conviction and not inertia. If your answer is no, then critically review your investment. Next, decision factor scorecard. First, let us look at the positives and then we can move on to negatives. First, positives, strong long-term alpha, genuine differentiation from mutual funds, excellent downside protection in recent correction, disciplined investment process with no style drift, transparent and experienced fund manager, effective use of multi-cap flexibility. Next, concerns, negative alpha over the last 1 and 2 years, premium fee not justified over shorter periods, high sector concentration, small cap allocation may increase volatility, better suited for investors with a 3+ year horizon. Next, the core portfolio architecture question. Ask yourself, does this PMS complement your existing portfolio or duplicate it? If your portfolio is built around index and flexi-cap funds, this strategy provides meaningful diversification through contra investing, special situations, and small cap exposure. However, if you already own dedicated value or contra funds, the incremental benefit may be limited. What a genuinely complementary PMS looks like. A quality satellite PMS should invest where mutual funds cannot and generate consistent net of fee alpha, maintain low portfolio overlap, follow a disciplined investment process, justify higher fees through genuine differentiation. Next, exit consideration. Exit load year 1 3%, year 2 2%, year 3 1%. Taxation, long term capital gains above rupees 1.25 lakhs taxed at 12.5%, short term capital gains taxed at 20% plus cess. Capital gains are calculated stock by stock. Here is a practical tip. Given the recent improvement in 1 month, 3 month and 6 month alpha, avoid making exit decisions based solely on the weak 1 year return. Evaluate your investment horizon, portfolio overlap and long-term conviction before deciding. Quick summary: what works and what doesn't work. First, what works. Strong since inception CAGR of 19.36%. Consistent outperformance during calendar year 2021 to calendar year 2024. Genuine contra, value and special situation strategy. Strong 3-year and 5-year alpha. Differentiated satellite allocation for mutual fund investors. What doesn't work? Negative 1-year and 2-year alpha. Calendar year 2025 significantly lagged the benchmark. Premium fee difficult to justify over recent periods. High sector and small cap concentration increases volatility. Exit load is relatively high during the first 3 years. Here are the key takeaways. Pure Contra has generated 3.70% annualized alpha since inception. The strategy outperformed its benchmark for 4 consecutive calendar years before a difficult calendar year 2025. Long-term performance remains strong, but recent 1-year and 2-year returns have been disappointing. A 50 lakh investment has created approximately 19.9 lakhs of additional wealth over 5 years compared with the passive index fund. The strategy remains genuinely differentiated through its contra approach, special situations, and meaningful small cap exposure. Investor should judge his PMS over 3-year or longer horizon, not based solely on recent performance. Here is our final verdict. Axis Securities Pure Contra PMS remains one of the stronger and more differentiated PMS strategies in the market. Its long-term track record, disciplined investment process, and genuine portfolio differentiation justify serious consideration. However, the recent 1-year and 2-year underperformance reminds investor that contra investing requires patience and conviction. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.